Morning students, myself Rita Miglani. Today we will discuss how to derive formula for sum of first n terms of an AP and how to use this formula in relevant questions. Find the sum of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Let us say S is equals to, S represents the sum of first n natural numbers. Then S is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n minus 1 plus n, sum of first n natural numbers. Let us write S again with the same terms but in reverse order, that is n plus n minus 1, n minus 2 up to plus 2 plus 1. Now equation 1 and equation 2, the two equations are exactly same. They have same number of terms and they have same terms, only the arrangement of terms is changed. In second equation we are writing terms in reverse order. So let us add equation 1 and 2. When we add equation 1 and 2, let us add left hand side to left hand side and right hand side to right hand side. On the left hand side we have s plus s, which is 2s is equals to. Now on the right hand side I am going to add terms correspondingly, like first term of equation 1 plus first term of equation 2, which is 1 plus n. Now second term of equation 1 is 2 and second term of equation 2 is n minus 1. Third term of equation 1 is 3 and third term of equation 2 is n minus 2. Continuing in the same way, second last term of equation 1 is n minus 1 and second last term of equation 2 is 2. Last term of equation 1 is n and last term of equation 2 is 1. So 2s is equals to 1 plus n plus, when you simplify second term, 2 plus n minus 1, this will all again give you n plus 1 plus 3 plus n minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 will give you plus 1. So third term is again n plus 1. Now continuing in the same way, second last term is also n plus 1 and third last term is also n plus 1. It means every term is n plus 1. But how many times? N times, because in equation 1 we have n terms, in equation 2 we have n terms, so in the sum also we have n terms. So 2s is equals to n into 1 plus n. Why? Because all these terms are n times, these are n terms. So 2s is equals to n into n plus 1. So s is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for sum of first n terms of first n natural numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Sum of first n natural numbers is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes, we have derived formula for sum of first n natural numbers. Now Sn is defined as sum of first n terms of an AP. What are the n terms of an AP? Let us say A1, A2, A3 up to An. So Sn stands for sum of first n terms of an AP. Let us derive the formula for Sn, sum of first n terms of an AP. As we know, Sn is A1 plus A2 plus A3. So what is A1? A. What is A2? It is A plus D. What is A3? It is A plus 2D. And continuing in the same manner, A plus n minus 2 into D plus A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the last term. A plus n minus 1 into D, and A plus n minus 2 into D is the second last term. Let us say equation 1. Now if I rewrite Sn with the same terms but in reverse order, so my last term will become first term, which is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the first term. A plus n minus 2 into D, this is the second last term, it will become second term, plus continuing in the same manner A plus D plus a as the last term. This is equation number 2. Now Sn in equation 1 and Sn in equation 2 are exactly same. They have same terms, only the order of the terms has been changed. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2. When we add these two equations, again on the left hand side we have 2 times of Sn, which is equals to. Now on the right hand side, let us add first term of equation 1 to first term of equation 2. First term of equation 1 is a and first term of equation 2 is last term, this. Now second term of equation 1 is a plus d. Second term of equation 2 is a plus n minus 2 into d, plus continuing in the same manner, the last term in equation 1 is a plus n minus 1 into d, and last term in equation 2 is a only. So 2 times Sn is equals to, when you simplify first term, it is a plus n minus 1 into d will give you 2a plus n minus 1 into d, plus second term a plus a will give you 2a plus n minus 2 into d and plus d will give you n minus 1 into d, plus continuing in the same manner, the last term is again 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So every term is same, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d, but how many times? N times. So it is n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for Sn. So here Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the sum of first n terms of an AP, arithmetic progression. Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now it is the formula for sum of first n terms. I can write 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. If we combine these, it is equals to an, which is last term of an AP. So Sn is also equal to a plus l. Sn is equals to sum of first n terms of an AP. So Sn is equals to a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an. If I write expression for Sn minus 1, it should be equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an minus 1 plus 0, because here it is Sn minus 1, the sum of first n minus 1 terms, and in this also the previous term is an minus 1, term previous to an. So if I subtract equation 2 from equation 1, so we have Sn minus 1 is equals to, see, every corresponding term will get cancelled and we have only an. So we have formula for an as Sn minus 1. So formula for an in terms of Sn, an is equals to Sn minus 1. Exercise 5.3, question number 1. First part, find the sum of 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Now the given list of numbers is 2, 7, 12. So here the first term is 2. Common difference is 7 minus 2, which is 5, and n, the number of terms, is 10. Formula for Sn is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let us put values of n, a and d. N is 10 by 2, into 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into D is 5. So it is 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5. So it is 5 into 4 plus 45. So Sn is equals to 5 into 49, which is equals to 245. Therefore, the sum of first 10 terms of given list of numbers is 245. Now, question number 2 is find the sum of n terms where the series is given as 7 plus 10 and a half plus 14 plus so on plus the last term is 84. Now, from the given series, first term is 7, last term is 84, which is an. Common difference is second term minus first term. So common difference is 10 and a half minus 7. So 21 by 2 minus 7. So it is equals to 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is common difference. Now, we are not given here the number of terms, but an is given. So let us consider an. Formula for an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us put values of an, a and d in this. 84 is equals to 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 7 by 2. Let us simplify this equation for n. Shift 7 on left hand side. So this implies we have 84 minus 7 is equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is 77 is equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. This implies n minus 1 is equals to 77 into 2 by 7, which is equals to 22. So we have n minus 1 is equals to 22 implies n is equals to 22 plus 1, 23. So the value of n is 23. Now second part of the question is Sn. We have to calculate Sn. Formula for Sn is n by 2 into a plus an. I can use this formula because an is given. So Sn is equals to 23 by 2 into what is a? 7. What is an? 84. So it is equals to 23 by 2 into 91, which is equals to 1046.5. Number 3, first part, we are given a is 5, d is 3, an is 50, and we have to find n and Sn. Now from an, let us write formula for an. A plus n minus 1 into d. An is 50, a is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 3. Now let us solve this equation for n. 50 minus 5 is equals to n minus 1 into 3. So 45 is equals to n minus 1 into 3. Let us shift 3 on that side. 45 by 3 is equals to n minus 1. So n minus 1 is equals to 15. 45 divided by 3. So n is equals to 15 plus 1, 16. So n is equals to 16. Now formula for Sn is n by 2 a plus an. Since we are given an, so I am using this formula. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 16 by 2 into what is a? 5. What is an? 50. So it is equals to 8 into 55, which is equals to 440. So in this question, the value of n is 16 and value of Sn is 440. Now question number 4 is how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken so that the sum Sn is equals to 636. Now from the given list of numbers we can write A is 9, common difference, D is 17 minus 9 which is 8, and Sn is 636. Let us write formula for Sn. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 636 is equals to n, we don't know, n by 2 into a is 9 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. Let us shift 2 from right hand side to left hand side. So we have 636 into 2 is equals to n into 18 plus 8n minus 8. So we have 1372 is equals to n into 8n plus 10. So equation becomes 8n square plus 10n minus 1372 is equals to 0. Equation number 1. Now from all the three coefficients 8n square plus 10n minus 1372, I can take 2 common. So let us divide the whole equation by 2. When we divide the whole equation by 2, it becomes 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equals to 0. Now to factorize this equation, if we use the splitting of middle term, we should have product as 4 into minus 636 because the product is negative. So two factors are, one is positive and one is negative from the two factors. So if I write 12 into, if I divide 636 by 12, it is 12 into 12 5s are 60 and 12 3s are 36. So it is 48 into 53. I can take these two factors because their difference is 5 and their product is 4 into 636. So let us use this method, splitting of middle term. I can write 5n as plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equals to 0. Now from the first two terms I can take n common. So it is 4n plus 53. From the last two terms I can take minus 12 common. 4n plus 53 is equals to 0. So the factors are 4n plus 53 and n minus 12 is equals to 0. This implies n is equals to minus 53 by 4 or n is equals to 12. Now this value is rejected. Why it is rejected? Because n cannot take negative value, n cannot take fraction or decimal value. N should be a positive integer or a natural number. So n is equals to 12 is a correct answer. Question number 5 is a1 is 5, an is 45, sn is 400 and we have to calculate the common difference. Even n is missing. We don't know the number of terms here. So let us start with the formula for Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Why I am using this formula? Because I know a, I know an and I know Sn. So I can calculate the value of n. So Sn is 400 is equals to n by 2. A is 5 and an is 45. Now let us simplify this. So this is 400 into 2 is equals to n into 50. So this implies n is equals to 800 divided by 50, which is equals to 16. So hence n is equals to 16 is the value. Now second we have to calculate the value of d, common difference. Now an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us put values here. An is 45 is equals to, what is a? A is 5 plus, what is n? N is 16, 16 minus 1 into d. So we have 45 minus 5 is equals to 15d. Now we are shifting 5 on the left hand side. So 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 is equals to 15d. So it means d is equals to 40 upon 15, which is equals to 8 by 3. 5 is the common factor. It is 8 by 3. So this implies the value of d is 8 upon 3. Now question number 6. A is 17, an is 350, common difference is 9. We have to find n and Sn. Now first of all let us write formula for an. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Replace an by 350 is equals to a by 17 plus n minus 1 into d by 9. When we simplify this for n, we'll get the value of n. Now let us shift 17 on left hand side is equals to n minus 1 into 9. Now 350 minus 17 is 333 divided by 9 is n minus 1. This implies n is equals to 37 plus 1, which is equals to 38. Now formula for Sn is n by 2 a plus an. When I am given the an, the last term, I should use this formula. So what is n? 38 by 2 into what is a? 17. What is an? 350. So Sn is equals to 38 by 2 is 19 into 367, which is equals to 6973. Here the value of Sn is 6973. Let us find the sum of 22 terms when the common difference is 7 and 22nd term is 149. Let us write the information. The common difference D is 7. A22 is 149 and we have to find S22. Now let us start with the given information. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is an? A22. So 149 is equals to a, I don't know, plus what is n? 22 minus 1 and what is d? 7. So 149 is equals to a plus 21 into 7. So a is equals to 149 minus, when you multiply 21 by 7 you will get 147. So here the value of a is 2. So second step of the question is S22. Formula for Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. So what is Sn? 22 by 2 into what is a? Sorry. Yes, what is a? A is 2 here plus what is A22? 149. So it is 11 into 151. So Sn is equals to 1661. So value of Sn is 1661. Dear students, today we have learned how to calculate the sum of first n natural numbers and how to derive formula for sum of first n terms of an AP and how to use formula for Sn in relevant questions. Today also we have discussed question number 1 to 7 from exercise 5.3. I hope all of you will practice this again. Thank you.